Have you ever wondered what goes into making a Tyndale shirt? We visited Eastern Pennsylvania, one of Tyndale's many factories, for a behind-the-scenes look.
The process of making a Tyndale Henley. About 32, maybe 36 operations, 6-7 different people handling that garment at different times. We started up here in the cutting room, get it spread, cut, bundled. Everything is controlled in the building. Downstairs for labeling, plackets, pockets, all the prep work, running up, closing, joining, buttonhole, button sew, neck tapes, coming through, cover stitch, and then getting into finishing and getting tagged, folded, and you have a Tyndale Henley. I want people out there to understand and know that quality is job number one. Everything is 100% examined. All the equipment is up to date, well maintained. You are in safe hands. This is made in America, will continue to be made in America, and has a lot of pride behind it.